So, I finally decided to try the Temu free gift system myself, not just for a few minutes. I actually spent time using it to see what the experience was really like, because online people either say it's completely fake or it's the easiest free stuff ever. And honestly, neither felt fully true. At the beginning, I was skeptical. You pick your items and you see all these progress bars, offers start showing up, and it honestly feels a little confusing at first, like you're not really sure if anything is actually happening. The first time I tried it, I opened Temu normally, just went into the app like any regular user, and yeah, nothing special happened. It mostly felt like normal shopping. That's when I almost stopped, because I thought, okay, maybe this is just hype. But then I noticed something interesting. People getting results weren't entering the same way I was, so I tested it again. This time, I entered through the promotion first, then activated the system, and after that, opened the app. And the difference was immediate. The free gift section actually appeared. The app flow changed. Different offers started showing, and for the first time, it felt like I was actually inside the system everyone talks about. That's the part nobody really explains. It's not just about having a code, it's about how you enter the system in the first place. After that, I just followed what it showed me. Small tasks, offers, interactions, and over time, the progress started moving. Now, let's keep this honest. Was it instant? No. Did I suddenly get expensive free items immediately? Also no. And yeah, sometimes it still feels slow, but did it feel completely fake after using it properly? Honestly, no. Felt more like a system that most people misunderstand. And once I stopped expecting instant rewards, the whole thing made a lot more sense. So after hearing my experience, would you still try it? Or does it still feel overhyped to you?